welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Lyla and you're doing fam. So hi, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Please, okay fam, so today we are going to be doing a challenge with
Jada.
Okay guys, so make sure you go subscribe to Jada because she actually has her own YouTube channel now. So go subscribe to her.
Video right now.
Yes. Tell them your name. What is your YouTube channel name?
I don't even know.
Isn't it totally not Jada? Isn't it totally not Jada?
Totally underscore not Jada. And then before I said that is sunflower. No, not sunflower. Pink flower and pink flower and
Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, we're going to be doing a car race, so yeah.
Okay, ready to do the race?
Okay, ready?
Okay, where are we going to?
Let's just meet back at, I actually don't know. Should we do it in the main map?
Yeah, let's drive it.
Okay. I'm not driving there, I'll probably crash. Now glitch.
Okay, so
Okay,
we'll start here and go around the whole thing.
hold on, I need a
Right up
car.
here, Lyla.
Oh my god, I just flipped the I just flipped the whole entire car.
Three.
2, 1, go!
I beat her last round.
No, you did not!
Did it? Well, it's glitching. It's
Oh
glitching.
my god.
Mine's glitching.
I'm like halfway around the map already. Bro, you're literally behind me.
I'm glitching. I was glitching just before.
Oh yeah, booyah, I won. Oh, I like went like halfway around the finish line, but okay. Oh yeah, we have to do 2 laps. Oh my god. No, I'm stuck in a tree. Being a long video, you still need to edit it.
They don't even know what we look like right now. Should I show them?
If you want.
Should I show you what you look like?
If you want.
Okay, guys. If you do you want to, Lyla?
Yeah, I don't really care. I already get straight on YouTube. Hi guys! I'm not going with that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed me and Jada's car race. Bye, Inca fam! Peace. Woo!